Finance Authority, Pacific Forum Line, Pure Athletic, Beef and Brothers Enterprises, I Spy Radio, Urban Sounds, Matt Newell, KL Security, CCK Samoa, and Pure Pacific Water. As Sue has mentioned, we're really trying to target the elimination of single-use plastics within all of the venues for the event. So you'll see that we have stationed here, and this is through all of our sponsors. A lot of the recycling bins that you see in front of you. We've also got water stations that will be used so that we eliminate the use of plastic bottles. Also through the sponsorship, we've been able to supply bottles so that for all of the athletes that will be participating. So we're really trying to drive home that aspect of keeping our oceans clean and keeping our environment free of all pollution. Well, I guess that's about all that we wanted to mention today in terms of thanks for our sponsors and for being here today with us. But I guess I'll give this time now to the floor. You can have some time to direct your questions at Madam President or Sue J as our event coordinators. Or if you wish, we also have members of our sponsors here if you'd like to ask them any questions outside.
Thank you very much. I can see that the purpose of today is to acknowledge all the sponsors that making this outreach competition possible. What's it like with the budget? You've all connected the whole thing.
At the moment, we're looking pretty good. We've had to scale down a few things, but the main thing for us is making sure that the actual race requirements are met, and I think we're doing that so far. The rest is making sure that our visitors are comfortable. We have a power of doing this. With the support of our sponsors that come on board from Thailand.
I do believe that we are giving us a dollar amount.
Not at this point, as we have to go on. You can see there were still a few things going on heading in, so until we finish everything, we'll know our focus again. But I can say that this event is similar to the Pacific Games as far as attendance goes. But it's
Madam President, I have a question for you. How many countries are so far registered for the Paralympics?
Paralympics, yes.
The
The para paddling here or Paralympics in France?
Yeah.
Okay. So
I can find out for the one
So there's two countries that have V6 para teams racing next week, Great Britain and New Zealand. And then there are another Brazil, Germany. So there's another 5 countries that have V1 paddlers, as well as the New Zealand and Great Britain. So 7 countries have para paddlers competing here next week.
So it's more like with the Africa competition and the Paralympic Championship all in one week?
Well, there's Parava.
So
Parava is one of the divisions. So there is open men, open women, all of the age categories plus Parava. Yeah.
So because we have a bilingual TV, are you comfortable with the
para ulang aja untuk kamu diri kamu jadi mau dimulai supaya kamu dengan mau so unless jadi mereka orang boleh proses siapa worldwide Haraba'alua this time. Worldwide Tantalu. Oh, to new way this very 5 days.
The chances of our local bus for the competition.
We have to ask the coach that. One of the things with this event is it's a little bit different from what we do here. Long distance is part of the race that we don't retrain, mainly because of the resources that we have available here in Samoa. The canoes we have are not really for open waters. And so the canoes we have now are fitted for open waters. So it's opportunity for us after this event to be able to train for this kind of race. We normally do sprint races, as you all know, with corporate races that we do within the harbour and down here in Honolulu. And those are all in the areas within the region, mainly because of the type of canoe that we use. The canoes we have now enable us to be able to train for these kind of races. So, as far as the team goes, I think the time they've had a good go at it. So we're looking forward to see how we fare with the rest of the world. But keep in mind too, we are really excited that we have the best of the best coming to Samoa. Some of the people that we all watch, online, are going to be here this weekend. So the whole world will be watching.
My last question from Lava, I'm going to ask you in both English and Samoa. Samoa is hosting this 2023 contest competition out right now. Are we in a position to do the bid here for the next country to host the next competition?
The 2025 World Distance Championship is going to be in Brazil.
So to bid, I think 20 to bid for the next one will probably be 2028, and that'll be for the sprint. So that's the big event. I think this one is a for us to be able to manage it within our capability. But I think a good goal would be the World Sprints, and that we're looking at probably 3,000-4,000 paddlers. That's not including officials, supporters, and again, the amount of that assistance to our economy is potential in our economy. So we're asking all our people here to support this event and hopefully put a good impression onto IVF, put us on top of the list of the bid. Si lei la swinga, non la vuole falsamo ba, vuoi anche deve falsare sai che effettana na vuoi fa pure il fa pure open. Ma va da vuoi che mi è la safe, tengo vuoi che poi non funga la parte. Ma funga yang va yang va mai dua sudu subiba. So saya dalam proses ini tapi nak boleh awak sampai bahala yang mau dapat.
Oh, that's all that I think local.
Oleh combination oleh local maraman
Would you encourage, our youth nowadays to get into Tafeaga?
Of course, yes. One of the big things about Tafeaga and also paddling is it's a low impact sport, which means for this race this year we have divisions from J16s to under 16s right up to 80. So that's a wide range for paddlers, and mainly because of injuries, injury prone from rugby and netball. You don't get as much injuries from paddling. You can paddle, right throughout. So yeah, to 80. You got some systems stuff to paddle yeah. But both genders as well.
one light. Para, is that for Paralympic para-athletes?
Disabled paddlers.
Okay, can you tell me how long for overseas participation? I apologize, you might have covered it earlier, but
Yes,
is there a time?
so there's two V6 teams, one from New Zealand and one from Great Britain, and then there are 5 other countries that have V1 paddlers that are also participating in para races.
Any outcomes?
No,
Is there a reason?
none of them paddle.
I think one of the reasons too is the resources that we had to be able to take them out into the ocean, take them with the canoes that we have, we'll be able to do that. And we're also talking with IVF and some of the para-paddlers that are coming to see if we can do some workshops with our local paddlers to be able to do that. And I think it'll be something that they'll be interested in doing.
Great opportunity for them to see the possibilities of what is possible. Some of the para paddlers that are here this week have been paddling for a long time, 10 years, 15 years. They're very experienced paddlers, and they are looking forward to sharing their knowledge with anybody who wants to learn.
How early in the time do you think that happen in workshops?
We're going to get this one out of the way, and then we'll start looking into the next program. But be nice for everybody to actually come down and support the para-paddlers and just watch what they do and how they paddle out in the ocean. And the best way to do that is on our live stream, which would be supported by Digital. And also they'll be wearing some great uniforms with our new athletics sponsorship, and they'll be well hydrated by our no water with our currency.
Para V6 races happening on Tuesday afternoon.
Just picking up from my colleague there, are you working with the Paralympics, local Paralympics Association?
No, not at the moment. So we are hoping to be able to work with them in the paddling side. Olympics are different.
So I just have an open question for the sponsors. How are you guys getting out of this? Why did you want to sponsor the president?
I'm happy to start. I'm representing the British High Commission. So first of all, we want to see a fantastic international collaboration, a competition in a beautiful venue. So congratulations to IBM and Soccer for putting on the event. From the British government's perspective, there are 2 reasons, and you've covered them pretty much already. One is to make sure that the event is inclusive, so everybody has the chance to compete. And secondly, we want the competition to take place in a clean, safe, ecologically sound environment, so protecting the oceans is particularly important because it's a shared resource for mankind. So those are the key things from the British government perspective.
So I'm representing the Australian government through Pacific on Sports. Pacific on Sports is established across the region to support high performance avenues for athletes and supporting competitions such as these. We've provided support to this competition, but also to other sports, including netball and rugby, and assisted out harnessing the talent that's within the Pacific and providing that pathway to allow them to participate in international level elite competitions such as this. So that's the main reason for Australia's support.
My name's Anthony from Digicel. There's 2 key reasons why we wanted to support this event. It's an international event, as was mentioned earlier, and we're always proud to support anything that promotes Samoa to the rest of the world. Our beautiful country and our beautiful culture. That's one of the key reasons why we wanted to support this when we were approached. And the second thing is there's a requirement for a live stream. Being the #1 network in Samoa, we wanted to make sure that the fastest network was able to provide the live stream. So they did it out.
Tell us about the closing ceremony tomorrow. I'm sorry. I'll ask. Sorry about that.
My name's Chris McKinley. I'm from Pure Athletics. So we make the clothing that will be worn by your officials. We're also on board with Samoa, New Zealand, Australia and the Cook Islands. Our products that you'll be able to buy here at the event as well are all made out of plastic bottles. So all the shirts that the players will be, that the paddlers will be wearing and the merchandise, it takes up to about 8 plastic bottles per shirt. So what we do is we get the plastic bottles, we grind them down, we turn them into polyester fabric and then make the fabric and make the shirt. So one of the reasons why we love the sport is with us being recycled plastic bottles and that, we know we can help the countries. We've also been on board with your Commonwealth Games team last year when you went away, and we're hoping to get a bit of a foothold into the community here. We're based in New Zealand and the Cook Islands, but we just think that the recycled plastic is a great fit for your event, and we've loved working with Jay and the World Paddling Association.
Hi, hello, my name is Ziad, and I'm from the Secretary of the Pacific Regional Environment Program, SPREP. We are part of the Pacific Ocean Leader Project, POP. It's the Australian government-funded project. It runs for 7 years, from 2019 till 2026. 2027. It's a $16 million AUD investment in the Pacific region, and the focus of the project is to reduce the incidences of plastic litter that is ending up in our Pacific coastal environment. Samoa is one of our pilot countries, and we were approached by SOCA and the Ministry of Natural Resource and Environment to help make these Dream Games and a plastic-free event. So we have been working closely with SOCA in ensuring that these games indeed is free of single-use plastics. We are providing support through providing reusable water bottles to all the athletes, officials and volunteers. We're also helping put up water refill stations so that visitors as well as athletes, officials who are coming into the event to watch the games, they're able to utilize that facility as well. We'd like to thank the partnership between SOCA and MNRE. It's been going so far it's been going so well, and we hope that this event indeed is plastic free, and we urge the public to please respect and also help us in our efforts to make sure that these games is free of single-use plastics. Thank you.
So I'm Lucia Von Rocky representing number 1 currency. So we're proud to be part of an event that promotes the rich culture and heritage of Ba'a, not only in Samoa but throughout the Pacific and internationally. And also it's a great way for us to showcase our number 1 currency exchange services with all the paddlers that are and all the supporters that are coming from overseas. So we offer no commissions and no fees with our currency exchange services in number 1 currency.
I'm Neil from Pure Pacific Water. We are obviously very happy to get involved with something like this. We had the opportunity with the South Pacific Games in 2019 where we provided the water refill stations to use, and we also promote with other like netball and basketball and that on the island where we can help on bigger events like this. It's great to have the team from SPREP and POLP and Australian Aid, the British High Com, that can help support and fund it as well. So that's why we're happy to get on board with any event that is promoting the single-use plastic.
Hello, I'm from Maidimo. I guess from our end, it's more like a showcase who we are, and we like to let the whole world that Maidimo is a place of sound. We've been around for a long time, even though we just bring the from overseas now, but Maidimo has been around for quite a long time now. So we're happy to put our shoulder around to the guys to help out. Thank you.
Are there any more questions?
Yeah, one more question to Wailima. Well, Wailima is not new actually. So are you going to promote Wailima inside plastic or inside the glass? Since this is a single plastic,
I'm not so
zero
sure if
plastic.
you are Wailima drinker, but we'll now serve Wailima to a can. 40 mils can. So that's our Wailima Laka is now served. So no more bottle. Since we are now a plastic, we're not allowed to use plastic, so some can. Probably one of the Wailima cans going to be on the boat, one of the boats. We'll just see that on Monday out. I make sure drink responsible. That's,
In the morning, drink water.
Drinking
Kami mo le ese mai ka ko sponsor yo wa mai ona tola lo ina mo le pa mai mo tele ile tule ma sai tu ino sa male mo ta tu a wai mai ele ngata fo le a mai mo sa ma sai ole pen a wai le pala tong le pa sai ngole red cross mani si e ma sai tu le tong le mo tele
wo mana kami boleh komiti boleh tulis kami buku ketua taat bahwa saya main masa-masa kuliah ile kusumele balere kumai yo ile dari kapu kumansen ile vai uma kapu video so Wednesday foi foi mais foi festa no so o pode ser uma folha o fai briefings foi questioning of the Haka, esse foi a procedure for Bahag. And for this area, we have Red Cross stations around. We know that one of the biggest risks is going to be heat stroke for Philip that comes through the winter. So we're hoping to make sure that we have all the for that. Eu terminei esse não fiquei esse falhou vamos dividir ao o mudar o mais por accommodation e bater por para posição política foi como falei é igual era você estava com e foi ele Tomorrow we got the blessed opportunities. We were very blessed to have the support of our government. We've got 20 brand new canoes that'll be blessed tomorrow morning at the beach. After that, we're going to go to a familiarization for all the paddlers from overseas to be able to try out the canoe and get a feel of it. And that's for this week. Our opening ceremony will be on Saturday. We'll start off with the parade here in front of the government building. But the opening ceremony will be at the beach. So we'll be at the beach. So everybody can come down. That'll be at 6 o'clock in the morning. So we're and then Monday is when the races start. I think our first race is the under 19 May. It'll be a 24-kilometer race, followed by the Master 60s women. But we have the schedule is out on our website, IDF World Championships, and also Africa Samoa Keeping Association. So all the programs for the races are there. That goes on till Friday, starting from 7:30 in the morning to around about 3 o'clock in the evening. All this area here, we're going to have all our vendors here, so everybody needs to come down and just enjoy the vibe, the atmosphere. We've got a TV screen back here so that everybody thank you to native tents for supplying that, so you can actually watch the race here. We've got our food vendors on the side there, so you can come down and just enjoy here and watch the race. đây mình thấy chiều đó là vẫn chỉ có vậy đấy. Để cho mình quay lại để số xí. Bởi mà chúng ta cũng thấy còn nào đó có thể số xí một ngày đồng tới rồi các quốc gia này thì để hạn chế Society events are fun. They are regulations for once the government events. I think we met with all the relevant partners to make sure that all those benefits are
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much to all our sponsors for being here, taking time this afternoon. Hopefully we'll see you all enjoy the rest of the coming week of races. Pretty sure you all have country favorites to come and support, so we'll all be rooting for our own teams out there on the field. So thank you very much. Thank you to the members of our press for your time today. Thank you to the President, last but not least, for your kind words. Yeah, outside, when we're happy.